oh yeah, Ziban Papa. Say busy ban papa, oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen, oh, as Naya condo conado. This is what we call nche froy with corned beef. The veggies and the vegetarize. Sets as the nche is nche folies and no sets as if you want to know how, in a very simple method or in a simple way, I made this nche froy, don't skip through the video because asam seriously because it been set as it. After watching it, kindly share, like, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do, and don't forget to put your notification bell right by the subscribe icon. Let's go. Our record is ban papa good food, madam, made in a clean environment. Actually, it's morning, yes, and I'm trying to get something ready for the family after school. So I'm going to use my leftovers veggies. I've got some courgettes, wired or I've got some carrots, ginger, fresh pepper, onion, beans, rosemary, and for my aquadro system, I've got myself peeled garlic cloves. Okay, so stay here, don't skip through the video. It's going to be sharply as I always do, and kindly, once you get the video, share, like, and leave your nice comments under the video. That is the only thing you can do to support Hilda's Kitchen, to encourage what I'm doing. I mean, you guys are, done so well by forcing me to put this little Oxford English together. So I'm trying to make you understand what I'm trying to do. So just do well by liking the video, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, can you subscribe and put the notification bell right on it? Let's get on with it. Oh yeah, Ziban Papa. Say Ziban Papa. Oh yeah, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh, good food made in a clean environment. Good food, Hilda's Kitchen. Oh yeah, Ziban Papa. So this is my vegetable oil. Don't worry, you can use palm oil, ngo koko, ajungo, kubiango. Use any oil that you prefer. Set as it. Don't skip through the video. No record. The onion is cooking. Set as it. Yeah. Going to cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes until it becomes like translucent. After 6 minutes, even more, I'm adding my onion, garlic, pepper, rosemary, ginger. I just blend this one and I'm adding them to the oil. So guys, as you can see, we've cooked our onion and our mendes, for about 6 minutes. Yes, and that's the 6 minutes in you want baby, I'm telling you. So at this time, I'm going to add some puree to it. This is puree tomato. In Ghana, we call it tomatoes, tin tomatoes. Here in abroad, everything is in tin, so you don't know which is which. So normally you call it either a concentrated tomatoes or puree tomato. This is what I'm using. I'm using multi. I love it because I'm Italian. So guys, finally the stew is stewing. After adding the puree tomatoes, yes, I'm now going to add my passato. If you are in Ghana, wherever you are, everything or any tomatoes type you have, just add it. It's not necessary that's what Hilda's Kitchen is adding is what you have to add if you don't like. Yeah, so kindly add in. You can even buy fresh tomatoes, which is even more healthier, and then you dice it very nicely and then you add it to the stew. Guys, give me the thumbs up. The English is flowing. The English is Englishing. Set I say, one support Hilda's kitchen. As you can see, the stew is stewing. And actually, anyone playing with the yes, the condo is a condolizing. Set I say, for you fancy nosy kum. Odo so mimo romantic enya hoho impromptu hoho bia na ye the mezibani ezeman set ase Kofi Kinata, I leave this song for you to play for me. Thank you. Mpacha won tag Kofi mami. At this time I will just add tiny bit of water, not too much. Mpacha yenya nkwan ye froye pojido. As the froye is cooking, I've got some spice blend over here. This contains some black pepper, some coriander, cumin powder. It's all mixed, set as it. It's very good for your jollof stew as well. The froye is froying. Say pezi ban papa, oh yeah, Hilda's kitchen, oh. Good food, made in a clean environment. So as you can see any water, which means the water from the tomatoes or from the sauce is dry. At this time, I'm going to add my old vegetables, the leftovers. We have carrots, we have beans, we have courgettes, and I've mixed all of them, and I'm going to add, as you were saying, or the set as and that's it. Obi alone the vegetables or you're out of coverage area. Set as it. Yes, is the buyer oboko, is the one oboko. The stew is actually stewing. Set up at it. Give me the thumbs up and don't forget to share, please. Ebusiafo na mofroyi wo hunu de obeya kondo with rice, obeya kondo with yam, obeya kondo with anything, obeya kondo with plantain. As you know, Hilda's kitchen sharp as you can pair with any food at all. Or kodo you able to make it's like miss you know why thick, so I'm adding a bit of water. Just set as it. Because and I'm no crambe you, sister. Make some wine. I've got myself some amani and prawns mix. This is Henry's and some prawns, dry one, smoked one. From my sister Jay. That's why you need to share this video. This will perfectly go with your Christmas white rice. Don't doubt me. Easter one. Sister Afashe Panafest. Obojido say please ban papa or your Hilda's kitchen. Good food, madam. Made in a clean environment for energy. And as you are watching, you know, I'm on TikTok live as well. So it's so difficult for me to cover it, and the mess is everywhere. But at the end of the day, I know you guys are with me. You understand, isn't it? Or the stew is cooking very well, and I've got myself some corned beef. Yes, make it nicely, sister. Okonado. Kindly leave your nice comment what you can use this stew to eat. Why? Leave your nice comments under the video for me. Mpacho baby. Wow, what a stew. As an I am, let me. Raze. Jay. So after adding my corned beef and wale fro, you know, man fashi am from Ukraine. What been? Can you see the corned beef over here? Oh, but you do rough. So this is my eggs, and I added just a pinch of salt. Kakrebi, not too much. Set as it. As an eye, conda sister. Thumbs up. If you haven't done it yet, kindly do. Men no show. Try and position them. I will tell Nodo calmly, very calmly, in a very calm way. Set as it. Monkoko baby. At this time, I'm going to cover it so the heat also can generate some heat for the eggs to clot. Set us. Is the brofu okay? Is someone hearing me? Oh, but the sister, give me the thumbs up. Na my eyes, that's it. So finally, Ibusiafo, the egg is egging. Set us. How do you see this beautiful stew? Oh, but the dopa perfection for mama more close view. Just as if you are comfort. As you make sure bed into comfort, sister. J. Wow. Yenya pan by nature round square right angle 4 angles Charlie neze white plate do pan mami it's for you finfina. He was in a compound house. Oh boy, do rough. It was as naya condo wash. You can see the corned beef nicely. Or did them? Then the inche for maintenance so or swing and pay na piabazi. Thank you so much for watching Hilda's Kitchen YouTube channel. If you want to add more salt to yours, feel free to do. I'm not a salty person. But when I'm cooking for you and you tell me you want salt, 1 bag, Miss Bugmamo, come on. But for me, I'm trying as much as possible not to eat a lot of salt. Orokodo, Mom Bonjiru, thank you so much for your time. I hope you are going to share this video, like, and if today is your first time watching me with this beautiful stew, you are also going to subscribe and put your notification bell right by the subscribe. Mom Bonjiru dates.